there, this is Natasha. I'm a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to part 2 of Crochet Fall Mushroom. In the previous part, we learned how to do the stem of the mushroom. If somehow you missed it, you can find the link in the description. Hop on to the first part, learn to do the base stem of the mushroom and then come back in the second part to finish it off. So in this part, we are going to see how to do the cap of the mushroom and the assembly. So I'm just going to set the stem aside for a while. And now let us see how to do the cap. So for the cap, we are going to use the mustard yarn. The cap will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn 2 times around your index finger like this. Insert the hook under both the loops and gently remove the loops from your finger. Now place a chain stitch in the magic ring to secure it. Now we are going to start with 6 single crochets. So place 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once done, close the magic ring by pulling the starting tail of yarn. For the cap, again we are going to be working in continuous rounds, so we will not be joining any of the rounds with slip stitch. Now for the second round, we are going to do 3 increases. So we'll increase in every alternate stitch. So do 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochets in the next. So when we say 2 single crochet in the next stitch, that is an increase. Again do 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochets in the next one. So this is your second increase. Again do 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 in the last stitch. So with this we are done with 3 increases. In the first round we had total of 6 single crochets. In the second one you'll have a total of 9. Now in the next round we are going to increase in every third stitch. So I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. If you're enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. Again, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next one. One more repeat, 1 single crochet each in the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next one. So this completes your third round. Now in the fourth round, we are going to increase in every 4th stitch. So I'm going to do 1 single crochet each in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. And we are going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, that is an increase. Again 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, 2 single crochets in the next one. So this was the second repeat. Now repeat this one more time. 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next one. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making. Now you are going to have 15 single crochets in this round. Now in the next one, we are going to increase in every 5th stitch and we are going to repeat it a total of 3 times. So do 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 4 and do 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Again do 1 single crochet each in the next 4 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next one. One more repeat, 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next one. With this you are going to have a total of 18 stitches. So this is all the increases that have to be done for the cap of the mushroom. Now I'm going to do 2 rounds without any increases or decreases. So in this round we had a total of 18 single crochets. So do 2 more rounds with 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch without any increases or decreases. So here I am done with 3 repetitions. Now we are going to assemble the cap and the base of the mushroom. We are not going to cut off the yarn, any of the yarns yet. So place the stem under the cap like this. I am just going to put the hook under both the loops, the cream one as well as the mustard one. Just give it a little pull. And now we are going to be working only with the mustard yarn. So I am going to insert the hook under the next stitch of the cap and the next stitch of the base and do a single crochet here. Now pull this cream yarn tightly and I am going to cut it, leaving a small 3-4 inch tail, and just put it in the cap like this. Now I'm going to keep on repeating the single crochet thing. Go in the next stitch of the cap and the next stitch of the base and do 1 more single crochet. Again go in the next stitches of the cap as well as the base and do a single crochet. Keep repeating this all the way around. Make sure that you don't skip any of the stitches or you don't make 2 stitches in the same stitch, otherwise your mushroom will look untidy. You have to do 1 single crochet in the single crochet of the cap as well as the base of the mushroom. Just continue doing this all the way around. You'll have a total of 18 single crochets here because you had 18 single crochets in the last round of the mushroom cap, and we did 3 double crochet each in the last round of the stem, and we had 6 single crochets in the second last round. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So you had 18 double crochets in the stem and 18 single crochets in the cap. Now once you are done all the way around, I'm just going to do a slip stitch in the next stitch and cut off the yarn, leaving a small tail, and I'm just going to weave in the tail in the cap of the mushroom. If you want, you can do this step with the tapestry needle as well, but it can easily be done with the hook itself, so you don't need an additional tool for this. So with this, you are done with the mushroom. Shape it a little and it is ready for display. So you can make these mushrooms in as many colors as you want, and you can make as many pieces as you like, and then you can also make it into a very pretty garland for fall or autumn decor. If you are fond of decorating your home during Thanksgiving holidays with handmade goodies, then I have an entire list of crochet tutorials with different fall patterns, like different fall flowers and fall home decors like pumpkin plushies and pumpkin coasters. You'll find the entire playlist to those tutorials in the description. Do check it out and give it a try. So this is all from my side today for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. So thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.